Hi boys and girls, Mrs. E here with our next Rainbow Common Exception Challenge spelling video. Here we go, let's see what we've got this week. Okay, our first word is naughty, naughty. Okay, there's a boy there being very naughty. So it's a tricky word because it's got that A-U-G-H in the middle. Okay, the T on the end is quite easy. It's the ought, a bit like court. So if you can spell court, you'll be able to spell naughty. The boy was naughty to knock over the vase. Our next word is notice. There it is, notice. It's included because we often want to spell it with an S. We can see a word within a word there. We can say not, see not, N-O-T. But instead of it being notice, I-S, it's I-C-E. The notice on the board told everyone what was happening. Our third word today is occasion. There it is in blue. Occasion. So an occasion is something special that is happening, a birthday or an anniversary or a Christmas celebration. So we've got the O-double-C at the beginning, okay, and then your shun on the end with an S. There are many special occasions in the year. One of the ones that you just have to learn, this one. Our fourth and final word is not a tricky one, often. Often. We just have to remember it isn't double F. We've got the word 10 inside this word, often. Okay, just don't put that double T in. There's something, sorry, double F in there. How often do you eat food in a day? Okay, here we go. Let's see which one of this week's words is hiding in our little game of catchphrase today. The coloured blocks will disappear. Write down the word you think it is. Some words. Lots of white space. Will the middle solve the riddle? Never. Seldom. Sometimes, and oh, I know, it's often. Can you write down the word often on your pad? Not a difficult one, that one. Often. Just remember it's not a double F. Here goes number 2. That's the birthday candles. Oh, I bet you know this one. Looks like a celebration or a special. That's right, a special occasion. Occasion. Can you write it down? Pause the video if you need more time. There it is. Occasion. O-double-C-A-S-I-O-N. Here we go with number 3. Looks like a sign of some kind. It's a warning sign. A warning sign or a notice. A notice. How do you spell notice? Write it down. There it is. Not. It's got that not at the beginning. N-O-T-I-C-E. Great job if you got it right. Our final one today. That child doesn't look very happy. The middle was a big clue there, guys, wasn't it? The boy is pulling the girl's hair, so the boy is being very, you got there before I did, naughty. Can you write down naughty on your pad? Great job if you got this one. It's tricky. We think about the word caught, it can help us with naughty because of that A-U-G-H-T. Great job, boys and girls. Keep practicing and I'm sure you'll get a certificate next week. See you next time.